In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the login feature from your Wix site. If you're looking to create a seamless experience for your visitors by eliminating the login requirement, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to achieve this. First, head over to your Wix website's editor. This is the hub where you'll manage all aspects of your site's design and functionality. Once you're there, locate the top menu and click on the option labeled Pages and Menu. This section is actually quite critical because it houses all the navigational elements of your site, making it a key place for adjustments like the one we're about to make. Next, find your homepage or the specific page that currently has login requirements. You'll see a small three-dot icon next to the name of the page. Go ahead and click on that to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu provides various options that allow you to customize the settings of your page. Within this drop-down, select Settings. This is where the magic happens because it gives you access to the configurations that control user permissions and interactions. Once you're in the settings, look for the Permissions tab. Clicking here will direct you to an area where you can modify who gets access to your page. In this Permissions section, you want to change the access settings from Members Only to Everyone. Selecting Everyone ensures that any visitor can access the page without needing to log in. This is a crucial step for creating a user-friendly environment for your audience. You might also notice the Members area listed within these settings. Click on Actions next to it. Here, you'll be presented with an option to delete Members area. This is important because deleting this feature means that you've successfully removed all login and membership requirements across your site, making it accessible to all with no barriers. After clicking the delete option, a prompt will appear asking for confirmation. It's a final step to ensure this is what you intend to do. Simply click on Yes, Delete to confirm your choice. This will permanently remove the members area and along with it any login constraints that were a part of your site's setup. And there you have it. With these changes, your Wix site now offers an open access experience to all visitors without the need for login credentials. Removing login requirements simplifies site navigation and can greatly enhance the user experience, ensuring your content is more readily available to your audience. Thanks for tuning in, and happy web editing!